Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your TurboTax account. For this guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and bring up the search bar and type in TurboTax login and hit the enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link myturbotax.intuit.com. Click on that link. Now you will be taken to the new interface, which is sign in page. Simply scroll down a bit and over here you just need to enter your phone number, email address or your user ID. I'm using my number. Now just click on remember me for further use. But I recommend you guys do not try it in public computer. And once you click on sign in button, you will be easily access your account. In case if you don't have any account of TurboTax, just click on create an account to create a new account. This much for today guys. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.